Alright, so we're going to do this light show, the arrival. You can see. Okay, we're going to do it now, and it moves the charge port, mirrors, windows, and trunk. Let's continue. It says to exit the vehicle and start the light show. Ready? The car's going to play some music. Let's see. The screen says, enjoy the light show. Oh! What's happening? Is it doing anything? The lights are turning on. What's happening? The lights are turning on. There's no music. Where's the music? Oh, it's too noisy here. I can't hear it. Enjoy the light show. Oh, here we go. Look, the mirrors. Oh, they're not moving yet. Oh, it's going. Be careful, Camila. What is it doing? The trunk's not opening yet. Oh, the mirrors are opening and closing. This is how you test your tail lights and headlights to make sure everything's working. A monster? Oh, look. There's white lights, red lights there. Orange.
What's happening? Why is it not open? Pretty lame.
Oh! The trunk's opening! Ah! Be careful.
I think it's turning into a monster.
Watch out, you might hit your head. It's turning into a monster.
Yeah.
Why is it opening and closing? You can check all the mirrors, all the turn signal lights. It doesn't do the windshield wipers though. I wonder why it's not using the outside speaker. It's only using the inside speakers this time. That's it. Why did it leave my windows open? I think that's it. Yep. The end. Oh, it did close the windows. It just waited.